see. Try it, sis.
It's literally whipped cream shaped in balls. Oh, that's really good.
Wait. It's probably, hold on. It's probably cake underneath there.
It's whipped cream covered in balls. Oh my god, this is so good.
Yeah?
What do you think, Hep?
Look at this kid. Get this kid.
What you eating? What you got? Chocolate cake?
Bowl of whipped cream and chocolate.
Chopping you off. That's cute. Pepper doesn't like it, so it's all the meat.
It's all sorbet. Everything's filled with sorbet.
Nice.
Everything.
From them?
Even my body. This is so yummy.
Love it? Nice. She likes it. Likey.
We'll be watching family videos one day.
So this is filled with sorbet?
Uh-huh.
No, it's filled with blueberries.